Welcome everybody to the EDC Conquest. My name is Ian, and in today's video we got another unboxing from Blade HQ that we are going to unpack together. They had a nice little deal on this knife, so I kind of jumped at the chance, so I had to pick one up for myself. So we are going to get into this and have a fun time today. Nice short little unboxing here. So we're going to use my Blade HQ exclusive ProTech Mordax to open said knife and get into this nice little piece here. So let's see. I get it. There we go. ProTech is nice. Check them out. Anyways, wanted to get into this guy. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Flightanium Arcade magnet set that they've been throwing in. This is the now second one that I've received. This was also in the other Cold Steel unboxing video I did not too long ago. If you haven't seen that, I encourage you to go check it out. It will be linked below. And then we got some stickers, some nice Zero Forks stickers, as well as some Blade HQ, just general stickers. So yeah, Blade HQ is always good about handing out some fun stickers, making the unboxing experience just that much better. We have one more thing in there, which is the main thing, and we will get into this very shortly. So this is, some of you may recognize this shape of this box and think you know what it is. If you do, you're probably correct, because this is very unique. This is Boker made. This is a Boker Kalashkinov. I finally got myself one, and here we go. Look at that. These are automatic knives. So this is a switchblade. And this is, I believe, my first actual side opening automatic knife. So yeah, that was really exciting. They had a good deal on this one. And you know, I just really like the gold and black kind of clash complementary hardware and everything. But yeah, so these are nice little D2 autos with nice, this one's got the nice like gold bronzish coating on the hardware. Nice black handles as well, with the nice contoured finger grooves to give you like nice sure grip when holding this. I actually like this one. I chose this one because it's got the nice drop point with like the flat grind, which you can kind of see. Let me catch it in the light right there. So you can see it's a flat grind, like the side of it, and it's not like hollow or scooped or anything. It's also not the dagger one that they have, because that's got a little bit shorter grind, not as slicey, and I like slicey boys. So yeah, I opted for this model here. But yeah, so that is the main cool little knife that I wanted to unbox. But a side note, I wanted to say that of all the Kalashkinovs that I have handled, all the seals have always been broken like this and cut. And that is because they are made in Germany. And automatic knives are illegal in Germany. So they cannot ship them as automatic knives. They ship them as full manual button locks, just like that Mordax I showed you. This is a ProTech, excuse me, that is a full manual. There are no springs in here, so I can like hold the blade down and it'll swing when the lock is not engaged, but you can flip it, it locks into place, it's perfectly safe, but there's no springs. So that's basically what it was before it was shipped It was shipped with the springs. And then I ordered this through Blade HQ, so I know they do it. I don't know if other retailers who get Boker knives have to do this as well, but they have to open every single Kalashkinov and then take the knife apart and then reassemble it with the spring mechanism in the whole pivot and locking system to make it an automatic knife. So because of certain laws and regulations and shipping, they have to actually make them manuals to ship. And then once they arrive in the US, they can convert them into actual switchblades. So little lock shut and fires with the press of a button. So that is very, very cool. Nice little switchblade guy right here. So yeah, nice little knife I'll have to carry and give you my more developed thoughts on in a later video. But yeah, that is just a nice little unboxing for you here. Yeah, I was pretty excited about this one, it being like my first sight opening automatic, and it is just so good. The action, so repeatable. And yeah, so nice little Kalashkinov. I'll have links to my other videos down below in the description, so you can go check those out, check out the rest of my channel content, and remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, remember to keep it real and always be moving forward. Peace, guys. Thank you.